Okay,
Large tornado.
Slow down.
No, it's right there in front of us. It's moving south.
Okay.
Big tornado on the ground, right in front of us, moving south. It's going to cross the road right in front of us, guys. Whoa, my gosh, that's a big one.
In that car.
It's east. No, it's east of the road. It's east of the highway, and it's fixing to move on the highway. I see it. Good night. That's a monster. We're 61. It's a monster right there in front of us. 61 miles an hour. And we're just on the north edge of it. But it's wrapped, completely wrapped. I mean, completely wrapped. Oh, this car in front of us looks like it had an accident or something, maybe. Oh, there's debris. I mean, it's south of us, right there in front of us.
Hey, Val.
I know, it's fine.
No, it's not fine.
It's fine. Well, we're kind of on the back edge. We're on the back edge of it. Our winds are northeast, northeast. It's still on the ground. It's on the highway ahead of us. It's on the highway straight ahead of us. Another power flash.
Look at that barn.
Okay, so a barn is damaged up here. Barn has been damaged. Boy, this thing is large.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving. It's moving south. Another power flash straight ahead of us. Yeah, I can see it now. It's right there. It's going to come visible here in a minute.
I think you're too close.
No, we're not. Yes, it's in Matador. It is in Matador. Good night. If you live in Matador, if you guys are listening to us, it's bearing down on you right now in Matador. Large tornado, and it's on the ground right ahead of us.
Oh, are those
we got trees down over here.
I think those are cut down already.
Maybe. It's so wrapped in rain, it's hard to see. All I could see was torrents of red dirt.
Oh, look over here.
Okay.
Look over there. All those trees are stripped.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. There's major damage. Major damage on the north side of Matador.
Okay.
Major damage on the north side of Matador.
And
there. Look up ahead. You can see structure now. Yes, there's major damage. Look at this. Good grief. Shoot, coming into Matador, there's sheet metal everywhere.
look at that gas line that's broke.
Okay. Keep the video running. Keep the record on.
Okay.
There's all kinds of sheet metal all over the place.
Oh, there's houses completely destroyed here. Look at that.
Oh, man. There's a house damage, barn damage.
Significant damage.
Yeah, significant damage in Matador. We're coming into the north side of Matador.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, man. Matador, Texas is hammered. We're going around this debris. What is that? Oh my goodness, this is at least EF3 damage. Look at the damage. Look at the trees right there. Trees are ripped. This is at least EF3 damage right here, guys.
Okay. People are going to need our help. People are definitely going to need our help.
Yeah. Okay, there's the tornado right there. Okay, emergency vehicles, emergency people need to come to Matador right now. We probably need ambulances. Large tornado on the ground south of Matador. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that tornado right there.
Oh my goodness. Oh!
What was that?
We're caught in power lines.
Oh my goodness.
We're dragging a power line.
Oh, we're dragging a power line, guys. We're dragging a power line. Oh, good grief.
It got caught on the anemometer.
Oh my goodness. What is that?
I don't know, but you're fixing to run over more.
Oh, I'm gonna go over this one. Look at that thing. It's roping out.
Man,
Look at that. Okay, we're gonna.
oh my goodness. There are so many people who are going to need help
Yeah,
here.
we need to roll back in here. Okay.
Do you still see it? It's roping
It's
out.
roping out. Tornado's roping out. Guys, there's people in Matador that's gonna need our help.